In this session, let us learn about inserting rational numbers between any two given rational numbers or large number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. These models will be covered in this session. Namaste, welcome to Adharva Nava. I am Sirisha and I teach mathematics and physics for CBSE, ICSE and IGCSE grade 6 to 10. To follow my classes, kindly subscribe to Adharva Nava, hit the bell icon for further notifications on different topics. Kindly share, comment to help others as well. Thank you. Let us start with another method 2 for inserting rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So today I have taken example of 3 by 5 and 4 by 7 and we need to insert 3 rational numbers between them. Okay, let us start doing this. Let us see how we will solve this. In this second method, we use commas instead of greater than or less than symbol, just because we are not sure of 3 by 5 how much it is or 4 by 7 how much it is. Yes, of course, with the help of LCM we can find our denominator. You can make out whether which one is greater, like you can guess, but still I prefer you to, I suggest you to use commas so that it is convenient for you without any confusion. Okay, so 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 7 is what you are going to write. Yes, you are just adding the numerator, adding the denominators. That's all you have to do. Add numerators by add denominators. That's all you will do. Okay, you just take the numerators 3 and 4, add them and write in between, and then divided by 5 plus 7 you have to write. Okay, so then it becomes 3 by 5 comma 7 by 12 comma 4 by 7. So definitely this number will exist between these two numbers. Suppose this is bigger number and this was a smaller number, so that's when you can, the notation, you can write like greater than here, and then you can solve, of course. But if you see, that's the reason I'm telling you, if you don't know the exact value, if it is an integer, like in my previous session you might have seen integers were used like 3, 2 or 7, 8, we can easily make out from that. Not with the fractions. Everybody is not comfortable with fractions, isn't it? So that's the reason I'm suggesting you to use a comma. And this method, what you have to do is just to add the numerators, add the denominators. That number which forms as a rational number has to exist between given two numbers. Now how many we want? 3 we want. So 1 we found already. I'll change the color. Second one we will find. So now second one is, I'll use another color. So let's see here. Second one is 3 by 5. Now in between these two I want to find one more term. What I'll do? I'll just add numerators, add the denominators, that's all. 3 plus 7 by 5 plus 12 comma 7 by 12 over. Okay, now between these two also I can find. I'll write the 7 by 12 as it is. I'm writing it as it is, and then I'm writing 7 plus 4 by 12 plus 7 comma 4 by 7. You can find 3 numbers already, correct? 3 by 5 was the number, 4 by 7 was the given number. In between these two I have added already 2. One step itself you can do this one if you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, do this first. You get the solution. I can show you here. I'll show you that in a moment. But let me finish this one. So it will become 10 by 17 comma 7 by 12 comma 7 plus 4 11, 11 by 19 comma 4 by 7. Okay, so I'll use this eraser. I'll make a small change, just drop it. Okay, right. So 4 by 7. So this is how you can form the insert the numbers between the given two rational numbers. Or if I am not comfortable direct method, what I will do? What I will do is write 3 by 5, 3 plus 7 by 5 plus 12, because it was 3 by 5 comma 7 by 12 comma 4 by 7. This is what is given, isn't it? So I will write this one comma 4 by 7 I will write. 7 I'm sorry, it's just my device is not okay. 7 by 12 comma 4 by 7, okay, and then 3 by 5 comma 10 by 17 comma 7 by 12 comma 4 by 7. So now you can choose with these two numbers and start solving. 3 by 5, 10 by 17, and then write 7 by 12 as it is, then 7 plus 4 by 12 plus 7 comma 4 by 7. So 3 by 5, 10 by 17, 7 by 12, 11 by 19, 4 by 7. These will be these are the numbers which are in between. So you can find out, you can make out very clearly 3 numbers are existing, 1, 2 and 3. You can do the same thing I did direct. Okay, what I did here, I used these two to solve for this and these two to solve for this. Already I inserted one more number with previous step. So 3 numbers. Isn't it convenient? Isn't it? So yes. So let's see next question. So this is one model. Method 2, which uses just the mere addition of numerators and mere addition of denominators as well. Okay. If you wish to solve one problem on this, I can show you. Let us take one example of a decimal number also. Okay. We took a fraction, right? Let us see one decimal number also. Okay. Let me take you to another page. Okay. So let's see the other question. Same method 2. Method 2 is what we are solving. Let's solve one question. Insert three rational numbers between 2.6 and 3.1. Now we have taken a decimal number. Okay, so how to solve? Let's see. You have to write 2.6 comma definitely less than 3.1, isn't it? So can I write this as 26 by 10 less than 31 by 10? You can convert, right? This is a decimal number, one decimal place, so I can convert it as 26 by 10 and this one as 31 by 10. So let me do this process. Method 2 I am using 26 by 10 less than. Here we know, that's why I am using less than symbols. Okay. If not, you can just put comma, it's up to you. Okay, and then comma 31 by 10. This is how we solve. 26 by 10 less than 7 here and 5 here. 57 by 20 less than 31 by 10. Clear? And then we need to insert 2 more. So what you will do? 26 by 10 less than 26 plus 57 by 10 plus 20. So I am picking these two. And then I am picking these two. So it will become how much? Less than 57 by 20 as it is, you have to write. Okay, less than 57 plus 31 by 20 plus 10 less than 31 by 10. Then what will happen? 26 by 10 less than 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 13, 5 plus 3 8 by 30 less than 57 by 20 less than 8 by 30 less than 31 by 10. So this is how you get inserted 3 rational numbers between them. Okay, so when you solve, you can get, suppose you divide with 83 by 3 and then you divide with 3, or 83 by 30 straight you want to do, you can do it however you wish to. So final answer is 2.6 as it is, See, I am doing this calculation part here. Let's take 30, 83. 32s are 60, 33s are 90. So 2s are 60. I'll use 60. 3, 23. So let me write 30, not possible, point 230. 35s are 150. Maybe very close to 8 again. 8 3s are 24. Okay. 30 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 210. 7, 210. 20 left. Point is already there, so I can write 0 here. 2.3 6 3s are 18. 180. So 20 left. So it repeats now. Correct? So I can write this as 2.76 for now. And then 57 by 2 by 20. 23s are 60, 22s are 40. So 17 is left, point 170. 2 closest is 16, so 2 8s are 16. 2 28s are 160. 29s are 180 it will become, so we can't do that. So 10 here, and then you use 5s are, you can write 0 here and then write 100, then it will become 0. So 2.85 less than 88 by 30. 88 you take and 30 you take in and start dividing. I can write 2s are only because not possible 3s are. And 28, you write 0 by putting a point there. Closest is 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Yes, you can take 9. I'm sorry. You can take 9s are 27, so 270. 10 is left. Point already 100. 33s are 90. 10 left. So it's repeating. Okay. So I can write 2.93 less than 3.1. How did I write them back? Because that was the original thing which I told. Okay. So these are the three rational numbers. You can see very clearly arranged. If you wish to divide and write, you can write. Okay. Mostly you have to write because it is given in decimal form. See, whichever form the question is asked, the same manner you have to give the answer as well. Okay. Thank you. We'll see the next model in the next session. Thank you.